My name is Joshua Tarkoff, and I'm a practicing pediatric endocrinologist here in Miami, Florida, and I'm a graduate of the FIU Healthcare MBA program. My true passion, what ultimately got me into endocrinology, is the prevention of chronic disease. I deal mostly with children, and these chronic diseases do not just appear in adulthood. So a lot of the bad habits, poor diet, lack of exercise issues start early, and I really pride myself each day on trying getting families and children on the right track to not only ameliorate minor problems which they may have now, but send them off in the right direction toward a healthy life. A lot of the plans to try and help these children require outside-the-box thinking. I was finding before my healthcare MBA that I was oftentimes stuck because I would present what I think and what many physicians would think is a great idea to administration, but once the money talks began, I either didn't have the toolkit to be able to respond, or I didn't do the homework prior to be able to give them ideas about return on investment and risk to the healthcare environment. This program was exceptional for giving me the ability to work with the numbers that are important for making healthcare delivery decisions. I have used a lot of the tools that I've garnered here in the FIU Healthcare MBA to be able to make strong arguments in my current position to open even more doors at my current hospital. In the future, my hope with some of these successes and further data in the telehealth realm that I could become a guru or a subject matter expert in this area, and to even expand to areas beyond just endocrinology where I'm most skilled.